Hello, friends! Welcome to our Farm Animals quiz. Listen carefully and point to the correct animal. Which one is a cow? Cow. Which one is a chicken? Chicken. Which one is a pig? Pig. Which one is a goat? Goat. Which one is a duck? Duck. Which one is a horse? Horse. Which one is a sheep? Sheep. Great job! Now let's try something harder. Look at these farm animals. Watch closely. One will disappear. Which one is missing? Which animal is missing? Pig. Watch closely. Which animal is missing? Sheep. Watch closely. Which animal is missing? Duck. Watch closely. Which animal is missing? Goat. Watch closely. Which animal is missing? Cow. That was tricky. Now get ready for the last challenge. An animal will run across the screen very quickly. Can you guess which farm animal it is? Here we go. Horse. Rabbit. Chicken. Well done! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.